And we're here.
So there you go.
Yeah. Great.
I'm actually surprised at it.
We have a choice. One big one. It was a very good hotel, and it's normal. I saw it on the I booked a twin.
I remember doing that before with a homophobe. We had a hotel room and we pushed the two beds together. He went down to the reception complaining, fuck, but we all slept in the same bed because
Nobody cared.
We won't be sleeping only for 2 hours anyway.
We'd only be there just for a rest.
Exactly, because we were going to be drinking till 6 o'clock in the morning. I wonder if they ever passed out in front of us.
We have a mini fridge as well. Let's have a look. Oh, we have an ice bucket. If you need to keep anything cold, there's a fridge. And a safe. Oh, a tea, coffee thing.
Oh yeah, you probably need to add water in there, do you?
Yeah, I'd say so. We got a couple of pods.
Oh, sure, there's water here, and there's still water.
Yeah, I think they give you so much for free, and after that then you'd probably pay.
Exactly.
You have a safe there if you need to put anything.
I remember talking to a psychiatrist. He doesn't even ask people if they're on drugs anymore because he says it's so common.
He just presumes that the answer is yes.
That they're on drugs.
It's that common, yeah.
Yeah. I was like, because I remember when the pastor told me when they were at a house party, people were just because he said the teacher wasn't teaching them correctly.
Yeah. All you need is a job that makes money.
Yeah.
And hopefully a job that gives you some sort of a lifestyle that you can kind of enjoy, you know?
I remember teachers telling us in school, go into IT, and should only cry over people in trade, and the trade are fucking fun.
Skip back.
Yeah.
Through my eyes, pretty much. pity it's so grey.
Yeah, it's busy.
Lights. Or we can make our way maybe down the side streets down to Jervis or something. Nice to get a bit of air. Yeah. It's like a big bowl full of water and coffee flavourings. Yeah. In Spain, Portugal, you get a small cup of coffee and you get the full flavour. You know? Oh yeah, there's the Grand Social there. Let's get the name off it, did it? Is it changed, son? Or skip? So it's not a pub anymore? Yeah, but it's a Well Woman Centre. That's not. There's no way that's
no pub anymore, yeah?
Yeah. Jesus. Another pub gone. The weather is so fucking dark. Irish weather, man. Yeah, that's what it is.